Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add Adobe Fonts to your Webflow website. Let's begin. First, go to the Adobe Fonts website. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon. Then click API Token. If you don't already have one, just click Make Me a New API Token. Once it's created, go ahead and copy your API token. Now open your Webflow dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Apps and Integrations. At the top, you'll see the Adobe Fonts section. Paste your API token in the box and click Save. Next, go back to Adobe Fonts and browse for the fonts you want to use. Click the icon next to a font to add it to a web project. A web project is just a collection of fonts you can organize and use in Webflow. If you don't already have one, Adobe will prompt you to create it. Just give it a name, click Create, then click Done. You can repeat this step to add more fonts to the same project. Once that's set up, head back to your Webflow dashboard. Open your project, click the three dots next to it, and select Settings. Inside your site settings, go to the Fonts tab on the left. Scroll down until you see the Adobe Fonts section. Here, you should see the web project you just created. Select it, then click Save. That's it. Your Adobe fonts are now connected to Webflow and ready to use inside the designer. You can apply them to headings, paragraphs, and any text elements like you normally would. And that's how you add Adobe fonts to Webflow. Thank you for watching.